Join me as I dive into the challenge of making $1,000 a month reviewing anime and manga on YouTube. Let's see if I can pull it off. Making money on YouTube through anime and manga reviews sounds like a dream come true, right? I mean, who wouldn't want to get paid for sharing their passion with the world? But is it actually possible to earn a substantial income from it? That's what we're going to explore today. I think we've all heard it before. You can't make money on YouTube talking about anime and manga, it's a niche market. But is that really true? I've seen plenty of channels out there that are killing it in the anime and manga review space. So what's the secret? It can't be that competitive, can it? I've looked around and it seems like there's definitely room for more creators to tap into this market. In fact, I think the niche nature of anime and manga can actually be a benefit. You're appealing to a dedicated fan base that's eager for new content. Another issue is that people think you need to be some kind of anime or manga expert to create content around it. But let's be real, most of us are just enthusiasts who want to share our thoughts and opinions with others. You don't need to be an authority on the subject to create engaging content, just be authentic, be passionate, and be willing to learn and improve. And even if you're not an expert, you can always find ways to add value to your content that sets you apart from others. I think another misconception is that you need some kind of fancy equipment or editing skills to create high-quality content. While those things can certainly help, they're not necessary. At the end of the day, it's the content itself that matters, not the production value. You can create great content with just a webcam and a microphone, as long as you're focusing on providing value to your audience. So, how do you create engaging reviews that attract and keep an audience? For me, it's all about building a community around your channel. Respond to comments, engage with your viewers on social media, and create content that sparks conversation. It's also important to be consistent. Regular uploads, consistent formatting, and a clear schedule can help build anticipation and expectation from your audience. Another key aspect is to focus on providing unique insights and perspectives that set you apart from other reviewers. Whether it's a deep dive into a particular theme or a quirky tangent, make sure you're adding something new to the conversation. And don't be afraid to be critical or negative. Controversy can be a great way to spark engagement and debate. In terms of monetization, there are plenty of ways to earn money from your reviews beyond just AdSense. Affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise are all viable options, as long as you're transparent with your audience and providing value in return. So, what's the secret to making $1,000 a month reviewing anime and manga on YouTube? For me, it's all about leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. By partnering with online retailers and earning a commission on sales generated through your unique referral link, you can earn a significant income even with a relatively small audience. And the best part is, it's scalable. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. One successful case study is a channel that focuses on reviewing anime merchandise and includes affiliate links to the products they're reviewing. By doing so, they're not only monetizing their content but also providing a valuable resource to their audience. Another example is a channel that creates in-depth reviews of manga volumes and includes affiliate links to the books they're reviewing. This way, they're earning money from their reviews, while also promoting the authors and artists they love. The key is to find a monetization strategy that aligns with your content and audience and to be transparent about it. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and always keep your audience in mind. In conclusion, making $1,000 a month reviewing anime and manga on YouTube is definitely possible, as long as you're willing to put in the work and focus on providing value to your audience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term strategy that requires dedication and creativity. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on making money with anime and manga reviews, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about content creation strategies, check out my video on Get Paid $1,000 per Month, Creating Anime and Manga Reviews on YouTube, Secret Revealed.